think smartphones have always been this powerful. Let's rewind and dissect how Verizon and Sprint battled for your attention in the cutthroat world of mobile dominance. First up, Verizon, their strategy: hammer home reliability. Notice the emphasis on coast-to-coast coverage and minimizing dropped calls. The message was clear: Verizon might cost more, but you get what you pay for. A network you can depend on. Pay attention to the visual cues. They are trying to showcase how much better the call is. Now, let's shift to Sprint. Their angle: value. They consistently pitched lower prices and special deals to attract budget-conscious customers. See how they directly contrast their prices to Verizon's. It was all about capturing market share by undercutting the competition and showing how people can use their money wisely. The contrast is stark, right? Verizon built a premium brand focused on superior network performance, while Sprint aimed for mass appeal by focusing on affordability. The two companies were completely different in how they tried to get you to purchase their brand, based on their market strategy. So, who won? Well, market share fluctuated, but Verizon generally maintained a premium position thanks to their strong network reputation. These campaigns influenced how we perceive mobile carriers even today. Now, with Sprint becoming part of mobile, the landscape has changed, but the legacy of these marketing battles continues to shape the telecommunications industry. And that's how Verizon and Sprint fought for your wallet.